Scots. Welcome back to Scots Weekly for this Wednesday. I'm Lee.
Hey there, I'm Brianna, and let's get into the announcements for today.
Calling all seniors, it's time to purchase your cap and gown. Please order online at www.jotsons.com or call 1-800-JOTSONS.
Remember, seniors, starting February 15th, the price will increase.
Tired of toxic relationships?
Cheated on? Ghosted? We got you.
Join the Stay Focused team every Thursday starting February 3rd for the new season of our Healthy Relationships class.
Food and fun are always provided. Join us every Thursday in the wall.
Let's go on a break for sports. Highlands Black Student Union, or BSU, will meet today during both lunches. Highlands BSU is open to everyone, so if you'd like to find out more about what we do, don't hesitate to reach out. Head over to Mrs. McCabe's classroom, 16E. We have some exciting activities and trips on the horizon.
Need community service hours? The Red Cross Club is holding a canned food drive. 5 cans for 1 hour. Drop off with Mrs. Martinez in 14B from now until February 3rd. All donations will go to St. Francis Church.
The Clean and Green Club will meet on Wednesday, January 25th, right after school in Mr. Mamaraldo's room, 16D. We'll have various activities for our club members, including planning future events. All are welcome.
That's it for today, Scots.
And remember to plat up!